In this video, what I'm going to be supporting you with is simply being present and being in silence for 5 minutes. Okay. So, what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to just set a timer for 5 minutes. I'll be sitting here in silence with you. An invitation here is to do your best to unplug from everything, from the worries, the problems, the issues, the things that you're sort of trying to tackle in your life. See if you can release everything and just drop in for 5 minutes and be in silence. It might feel uncomfortable in the beginning because there will be a part of you that wants to plug back in into the world, and just do your best to unplug. It's like you're unhooking yourself energetically from everything that is pulling on you so that you can find a bit of peacefulness inside, a bit of that stillness inside, and possibly touching into that place of inner sanctuary within yourself. Okay, so if you're ready to try this out, I invite you to find a comfortable position and posture for this practice. You can be seated, you can lay down, you can be standing. That's really up to you. And if you feel comfortable closing your eyes, I do invite you to close your eyes. This way, you are not letting sensory experiences take you out of your practice, but you are going within. And I'm setting a timer for 5 minutes. You can take a few gentle breaths, breathing in through the nostrils, breathing out through the mouth. And you might be noticing what is pulling at you, what is asking for your attention, where you feel your energy is going towards, and see if instead you can literally practice unhooking your energy from those issues, worries, people, concerns. And you're just allowing your energy to come back to you. And just allowing yourself to create this sanctuary, this place of silence and connection with yourself. See if you can let go of where you need to be after you are done with this practice. And from here, gradually bringing this practice to completion. Just tuning into yourself to notice how you are in this moment, how you're feeling, what is present, what is alive within you. And remember to embrace yourself and accept yourself exactly as you are in this moment. And from here, I invite you to create these pockets of silence throughout your day. It could be as little as 5 minutes, it could be up to 15 minutes or 30 minutes. That's going to be really up to you. But usually during that period of silence, we are integrating our day. We are allowing the energy to settle within ourselves. We might be noticing how much activity has been percolating inside of us. And so you get an opportunity to really unplug from the external world for a little bit and then tune in internally and go within to be present with yourself. Take care of yourself and bye for now.